Welcome back. In the last video, we built an interactive calculator. We saw how to turn text into numbers. But text itself is a major part of programming. In Python, we call text a string. A string is simply a sequence of characters wrapped inside quotation marks. You can use double quotes or single quotes. Let's open our editor and create our first string, text equals Python. Notice that we added spaces at the beginning and the end. First, how do we find out how many characters are in the string? We use a helper called len, short for length. Print len text. Run the program. The output is 10. Python counts everything inside the quotes, including the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 characters. Often, users accidentally type extra spaces when entering their names or passwords. To clean up this extra white space, we use the strip method. Let's write clean_text equals text.strip. Print len clean_text. Run the program again. The output is now 6. The strip method successfully removed the spaces from the outer edges. Now let's look at changing the casing of our text. Python has built-in features called methods to help with this. Write print clean_text.lower. Print clean_text.upper. And print clean_text.capitalize. Run the program. The output shows Python in all lowercase, Python in all uppercase, and Python with only the first letter capitalized. These methods are extremely useful when you want to standardize text. Finally, how do we combine or repeat strings? Joining strings is called concatenation, and we use the plus sign. Let's write greeting equals hello plus clean_text. Print greeting. Running this prints hello Python. But did you know you can also multiply strings? Let's write print clean_text 3. Running this repeats the text 3 times. Python, Python, Python. Now, let's test your understanding of all these string features with a few quick challenges. X equals Python. Print len x.strip. If we run this program, what is the output? Option A, 6. Option B, 10. Pause the video if you need time to think. Ready? The answer is Option A, 6. Because the strip method runs first, removing the spaces, leaving us with 6 characters. Let's look at the second challenge, word equals Python. Print word.capitalize. What will the output be? Option A, Python. Option B, Python. Take a moment to decide. Ready? The answer is option B, Python. The capitalize method only capitalizes the very first letter of the string. Here is our final challenge. Word 1 equals A. Word 2 equals B. Print. Word 1 plus word 2, asterisk 2. What will this print? Option A, ABB. Option B, ABAB. Pause the video and make your choice. Ready? The answer is option B, ABAB. Inside the parentheses, A and B concatenate to form the string AB. Then, multiplying by 2 repeats the entire AB sequence twice. Excellent job! You now know how strings work, how to clean them, alter their casing, and repeat them. In the next video, we'll learn how to pull out specific characters or chunks from a string using indexing and slicing. Let's keep going.